Hey there, fellow backpackers. If you're planning your next budget adventure, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 10 essential tips to make your backpacking journey unforgettable without emptying your wallet. Number 10. Pack light and smart. Choose versatile clothing, essential toiletries, and invest in a quality, lightweight backpack. Remember, less is more when you're on the road. Next, embrace local cuisine. Save money by indulging in street food, exploring local markets, and cooking your meals in hostel kitchens. It's a great way to experience the culture and save some cash. Be transportation savvy. Opt for budget-friendly transport options like buses, trains, or ride shares. Consider using a rail pass or city cards for added savings. Now, consider alternative accommodations. Camping, hostels, and guest houses can be budget-friendly and offer unique experiences. Plus, you'll meet fellow travelers along the way. Stay connected without overspending. Get a local SIM card or a portable Wi-Fi device to stay in touch and access maps, translation apps, and travel resources. Explore on foot. Walking not only saves money but allows you to discover hidden gems and interact with locals. Wear comfortable shoes and take in the sights at your own pace. Haggle wisely. Negotiating prices is common in many countries. Be respectful, smile, and aim for a fair deal when shopping at local markets or hiring services. Reduce waste and save money by carrying a reusable water bottle and using refill stations. Say no to single-use plastics and be mindful of your environmental footprint. Connect with locals. Engage in conversations, learn basic phrases in the local language, and join community events. It's a fantastic way to enrich your travel experience. And number 1, prioritize experiences over possessions. Spend your budget on activities, excursions, and unforgettable moments rather than souvenirs. So, there you have it, 10 essential tips for backpackers on a budget. Remember, the most memorable adventures often come from embracing the journey with an open heart and an open mind. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget travel wisdom. Safe travels, fellow backpackers.